Have you ever wondered about the secret to glowing skin and long, lustrous hair? Today, we are diving into the natural remedy that has stood test of time, rice water. In Hangluo, China, famously known as world's longest hair village, women credit their incredibly long and lustrous hair to the rice water. And they are not alone. Scientific studies also prove that rice water can help to keep your scalp and hair healthy. So in this video, I will be sharing why rice water is so popular for hair and skincare routine along with the scientific evidence behind that. Other than that, how to effectively use rice water for your skin and hair and some cautions to be used while using rice water. Hi, I'm Dr. Madhuri Anantwar. I'm a board certified dermatologist practicing in Nagpur since last 10 years. Why rice water is a game changer for hair? Let's start with hair. What makes rice water so special? Here is a quick breakdown of nutrients in rice water. Inositol. Inositol is the main nutrient in rice water, known to lower DHT level, which can reduce the hair loss in men. In women with PCOS, oral inositol has shown to improve scalp hair growth. Vitamin E, B, and magnesium. These vitamins are essential for repairing and strengthening your hair. Zinc and manganese promote healthy hair follicles. These nutrients not only nourish your scalp but stronger and smoother hair. How to use rice water for hair? There are 3 easy methods to prepare rice water at home. Short soak method. Take 1 cup of rice, add 2 to 3 cup of water. Let it soak rice in the water for 30 minutes to 2 hours. But make sure to wash rice thoroughly before soaking it. To get rid of all chemicals, strain and use this water. Boiling method. Cook rice as usual but with extra water. Strain the water after cooking and let it cool. Fermented method. Take 1 cup of rice, wash it thoroughly, take 2 to 3 cup of water and let it soak in water for 3 to 4 days. And then strain and use the water. Although some claims that in fermented method you get maximum amount of nutrients and vitamin because of the long soaking hours, but there is a risk of contamination with bacteria and fungus. While in boiling method you might lose some of the nutrients because of the heat. So out of these 3, my favorite method is short soak method because you get maximum number of nutrients in it without any side effects. It is safe and effective. How to apply rice water to your hair? There are 2 methods. One as a hair mask and second as a hair rinse. In hair mask, you have to soak your head and your hair in rice water. Either you can dip your hair in a bowl of rice water or you can pour rice water in a spray bottle and just spray it over your scalp and hair. But keep it at least for 20 to 30 minutes on your scalp and then wash it off. Second method is as a hair rinse. After you are done shampooing your hair, apply rice water over your length and on your scalp. Let it sit there for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Among these 2 methods, my favorite one is as a hair mask because it is staying there for longer hours so it will work effectively because the nutrients will get more time to absorb in your skin. Who should avoid rice water for hair? While rice water works wonders for most, it is not for everyone. Avoid using it if you have a scalp prone to build-up or irritation, or if you have very dry or curly hair. Because what will happen, the starch in rice water get absorbed into your hair and it will make your hair more frizzy. So those with curly hair should avoid rice water, or you can use rice water, mix few drops of oil in it and then apply it on your scalp. Extremely sensitive skin that reacts to fermented products should use fermented method with caution. Proven tips for hair growth. Want to grow your hair even faster? Pair rice water with these proven tips. Check for nutritional deficiencies. Check your vitamin B12, vitamin D, thyroid levels, and if it is low, take supplements for it. Eat balanced diet that is rich in vitamin B, vitamin D, ions, and omega-3 fatty acids. Minimize heat and chemical treatments. Avoid brushing wet hair. Now let's talk about rice water for glowing skin. Rice water isn't just for hair, it is a powerhouse for your skin too. Here is why. It soothes the sensitive skin. In 2002, there was a study which suggests that rice water bath can soothe the irritation your skin if you are suffering with rash or dermatitis. Anti-aging benefits. Rich in vitamin A, C, E, and other antioxidant and ferulic acid. Rice water restores skin elasticity and smoothens the skin texture. Vitamin A, C, and ferulic acid present in rice water also helps to brighten your complexion, and it gives you a natural glow because it also hydrates your skin. Like I said in previous section, the best way to prepare rice water is short soak method, because in fermented method it can introduce few microbes and fungi in it, which is not good for your skin health, or some might react to that bacteria. So short soak method is safe even for skin. Dab cotton ball in rice water and just gently dab it in your skin and let it stay there for 20 to 30 minutes. And if you are used to it, even if it is not irritating to your skin, you can keep it overnight as well. Consistent use can lead to smoother, softer and shinier hair. And also you can use that rice water on your skin at the same time to get that brighter, younger looking skin. And because of such a wonderful ingredients in rice water, this rice water has been used in many skincare products, especially Korean skincare products. If you don't want to opt for home remedies, then you can use these products which are rich in rice water ceramides. But if you are using rice water for the first time, always do test patch on your skin. Either you can do test patch over this area or over this area. Just apply rice water over this area for 5 to 10 minutes and then see if your skin reacts to it. Then don't use it over face or over your scalp. So rice water is all natural and affordable way to get those lustrous, healthy and shiny hair and glowing skin. This DIY home remedy might be the beauty secret you are looking for, glowing skin. So give it a try and let me know your result in the comment box below. If your skin is looking dull and you are looking for a way help to get that glow back, then definitely do watch my this video. And if you are suffering acne, then you must watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video.